kindergartners, we're going to do some math today. And our big learning target is I can represent, that means I can show math stories using Play-Doh. So what you're going to need today is your Play-Doh, and you can also grab your whiteboard and your marker. And I'm going to show it down like this so you can see what I'm doing. So you can pause the video and come back when you have all your things. Remember, you need your whiteboard and your Play-Doh. Once you have everything ready, we're going to do a math story about a tree. So go ahead, you can draw a tree. An easy way to draw a tree is just to make an oval and two sticks coming down. Go ahead, put your marker to the side. Now it's the time to open your Play-Doh. And you can squish your Play-Doh up so it starts to feel a little bit warmer inside your hands. You want it to be really easy to pick pieces off. And I'm going to tell you a math story about this tree that was in the park. And up on top, there were 3 apples in the tree. So you can just break off little pieces of Play-Doh and put them in the tree. We need 1, 2, 3 apples up in the tree. But then 2 apples fell down. So we're going to add 2 down on the ground. 1, 2. Now I want to know how many apples were there all together. How many apples all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know 3 and 2 make 5. Go ahead, you can pick up your Play-Doh and we're going to do another story together. This time there were 6 birds up in the tree. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 birds up in the tree, but 1 bird flew away. Let's take 1 bird away. How many birds are in the tree now? If I had 6, but 1 flew away. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 6 take away 1 equals 5 birds in the tree. Let's try another one. Go ahead and take your little birds out of the tree. Let's do 1 more. This time around the tree, we're going to have some little squirrels. There were 5 squirrels up in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 5 squirrels in the tree. I'm going to write the number 5 so I remember I started with 5 squirrels in the tree. And 3 squirrels are coming up the trunk. They're climbing up. 1, 2, 3. Now how many squirrels are in the tree? Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there are 8 squirrels in the tree. So that means 5 and 3 more make 8 altogether. Go ahead and erase your equation and take your little Play-Dohs away. All the squirrels came running off of the tree. Now you try one. Can you make your own equation on your board? Give it a try.